My name is Ernest Gustus. I remember when I started working for Zee Company, April 29th, 1999. For 18 years, I've been moving and blending the finest chemical products available in America, right here from the Zee Company warehouse in Chattanooga. That may sound like a long time. It is a long time, but you know how fast the days can go. I'm a man with a simple code. I believe in being on time, and I believe in doing quality work. I believe greatness is shaped. Technique is key, and that you can only create something that lasts by minding the details. That's what I do. I mind the details. The piece of trash on the floor, the crooked label, I can't let it sit. See, quality is about doing things correct. It's about doing every job well enough so you don't have to return to it again. That's what makes a quality product. Keeping things in order. Keeping things correct and steady and positive on the day-to-day. Zee Company is a company of quality for that reason. The products are quality because we keep people around who care about doing things right. No excuses, no bad batches. If you live with your eyes open, you will see what needs doing when it needs doing. Then you have the choice to be the person that makes it better or leaves it the way it is. I choose to make things better. This is my zone. It's been my zone for 18 years. I'm proud to be a Zee Company man.